In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Roblox Survive Zombie Arena Discord server. If you want to join the official community and connect with other players, just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your computer or mobile device. On the left-hand side of the screen, click the plus icon to add a server. When the menu appears, click Join a Server. In the invite box, enter the Survive Zombie Arena Discord invite link exactly as shown on the screen. Then click Join Server. After a few moments, you'll be added to the Roblox Survive Zombie Arena Discord server. If the server requires verification, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once you're verified, you'll have full access to the server and can start chatting with the community. And that's how you can join the Roblox Survive Zombie Arena Discord server. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox and Discord tutorials.